Hello everyone. In today's video, we're diving into 10 crucial legal terms that will help you stand out in your law firm interview. These terms represent essential knowledge that showcases your ability to think strategically, stay client focused, and keep up with industry best practices. Each term is presented with 3 definitions. Pick the most accurate one and let's get started. Due diligence. Does this phrase mean A, conducting through research and risk assessment on a client or business matter? B, skipping minor details to save time? Or C, following procedures without questioning their necessity? The answer is A, conducting through research and risk assessment on a client or business matter. Example, performing due diligence is crucial when advising clients on acquisitions to ensure informed decisions. Cross-functional collaboration. Does this term mean A, working strictly within the legal team? B, collaborating with professionals from various departments, for example, finance, compliance, to meet clients' needs? Or C, delegating tasks without communicating across teams? The answer is B, collaborating with professionals from various departments, for example, finance, compliance, to meet clients' needs. Example, I thrive in cross-functional collaboration, working with finance and compliance to deliver thorough, well-rounded legal counsel. Compliance. Does this term mean A, following only internal policies? B, ensuring client actions adhere to legal, regulatory, and ethical standards? Or C, assuming clients are compliant without conducting checks? The answer is B, ensuring client actions adhere to legal, regulatory, and ethical standards. Example, maintaining compliance is at the heart of my legal approach, particularly in regulated sectors like finance. Fiduciary duty. Does this phrase mean A, acting solely in one's own interest? B, prioritizing the best interest of the client above personal gain? Or C, overlooking conflicts of interest? The answer is B, prioritizing the best interest of the client above personal gain. Example, fulfilling my fiduciary duty means providing clients with advice that aligns with their best interest, even if it's not the easiest path. Risk mitigation. Does this term mean ignoring potential risk until they become problematic? B, identifying and minimizing potential legal and financial risk? C, overlooking minor risk to save resources? The answer is B, identifying and minimizing potential legal and financial risk. Example, in my practice, I focus on risk mitigation to help clients avoid costly legal issues down the road. Statutory interpretation. Does this term mean A, reading statutes without considering context? B, analyzing and applying laws to specific cases based on statutory language? Or C, creating personal interpretations of laws? The answer is C, analyzing and applying laws to specific cases based on statutory language. Example, my skills in statutory interpretation allow me to navigate complex regulations and advise clients accurately. Negotiation tactics. Does this term mean A, relying solely on formal court proceedings? B, using strategic approaches to reach favorable outcomes in settlements or deals? Or C, forcing outcomes regardless of clients' goals? The answer is A, using strategic approaches to reach favorable outcomes in settlements or deals. Example, I bring effective negotiation tactics to the table, often securing positive results for my clients outside the courtroom. Case law. Does this term mean A, ignoring precedent in legal decision making? B, relying on judicial rulings from previous cases to guide current cases? Or C, making decisions based on personal judgment rather than legal precedent? The answer is B, relying on judicial rulings from previous cases to guide current cases. Example, I draw on relevant case law to strengthen my arguments and provide clients with realistic expectations. Client confidentiality. Does this phrase mean A, sharing sensitive client information freely with colleagues? B, maintaining the privacy and trust of client information at all times? Or C, discussing client details only with permission from the firm? The answer is C, maintaining the privacy and trust of client information at all times. Example, client confidentiality is paramount in my practice. Protecting information builds client trust and upholds our ethical standards. Billing transparency. Does this phrase mean A, charging clients without providing a clear breakdown of cost? B, ensuring clients understand the billing structure and fees up front? Or C, changing bill rates frequently without notice? The answer is A, ensuring clients understand the billing structure and fees up front. Example, billing transparency is essential to me. I ensure clients understand our fees to avoid any surprises. How did you do? Mastering these terms and their practical applications can demonstrate your readiness to provide thorough, ethical, and client-centered legal services. Use these terms effectively in your interviews and show how they form the foundation of your approach to law. Keep practicing and see you next time. Hi, how are you today? If you would like to elevate your English level where people actually understand you, where you're not making mistakes, where you're not confused, where you have control of your English, then you're in the right place. My name is David Sugarman. I've been teaching business English for over 12 years and I can really help you. Currently right now, I'm teaching in big companies like Diplomat Israel, like IKEA and others. If you would like to hear more information, please reach out to me over here. Bye for now.